guys, thank you for locking into another episode. Today I've been riding with my two friends. Say hello, boys.
Hello.
He said what's up. So we just been riding around Ali Pali. These guys have been shredding it down hills. I've been taking it easy because I've been 2 weeks out. As you guys know, I still have a hub issue with my trek, so I'm not going too hard. So we're gonna have a look at our boy's bike today, and let's take a look at what he's got. So guys, we're here with Vivo today, and he's gonna show us what bike he has.
Alright fellas, so I've got the Ram Fusion from 2015. This is their top end spec. So this one comes with RockShox Lyric 160mm travel. I've got the RockShox Monarch RC3, again 160mm travel at the back. It has the Horstlink suspension pivoting system, which is amazing. No pedal whatsoever. Transmission wise, I've got this Ram GX 1x11 coming from my 2 chainring setup. Then handlebars wise, I've got the 760mm handlebars, which are just wide enough for swinging forwards without getting stuck in the trays. The bike originally came with Quaxar hubs and Stanflow X. Since then, I've upgraded my rear rim to Stanflow X and the Hope hub, the Hope Evo 4. I also have the Brandex dropper post. Originally, the bike came with the RockShox Reverb, but as you all know, they're rubbish and they're prone to leaking. So I've gone for cheap and cheerful. And tire-wise, obviously these did not come with the bike, so I'm currently rocking the Traube Rocket Run in a 2.6, which just about fits in the Lyric, and at the back I've got the Maxxis Ardent in a 2.4. And I've been known to ride them on really, really low pressures.
Yeah, it's a lovely bike, man. I'll put some videos of this bike in action. So where's Ram actually manufactured?
So Ram is a Bulgarian make.
Okay.
It's essentially Bulgarian's top bike manufacturer, and all the Bulgarian pro downhillers use Ram bikes custom built for them.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And have you had any thoughts of it since you've got it?
So since I got it, I managed to break the rear hub.
Okay.
I managed to break the pulls, but I just emailed the guys and they sent me a new free hub assembly.
Amazing.
In the post.
So you get good support?
Yeah. The warranty has now expired, but while we're still in warranty, it was good.
Yeah.
But then I just decided to upgrade to a Pro hub, to a Hope Pro hub. Other issues, let's see, with the SRAM Guide RS, the original version had problems with the pistons. They tended to stick. When you heated them up, they would just not return, so your brakes will actually drag.
Okay.
Unfortunately, my warranty had expired by then, so I just got some piston assembly kits from online and just replaced them myself.
No, that's a brilliant bike, man. I love the detailing in terms of how Ram make their frames. Really good. And you were saying with this as well.
So this is not part of the normal bike. This is custom made, so the manufacturer put the decal for me underneath the top coat, so we can't actually get it out.
Yeah, that's actually
So
amazing
this one.
detailing. Amazing. Nice.